Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for this week's CVS deals video. I would like to wish everyone a great week, and this is the first week of this 2 weeks ad cycle. We received 2 mystery offers this week, a $4 for L'Oreal Cosmetics and a $4 for Almay in case you need them. And all the deals I share in this video can be added to a 10 of 17x purchase CRT or 7 or 17x purchase CRT depending on what you have. I would also like to say that I'm very grateful for all the support that you all show me. The first deal I have in this video will be the Crest toothpaste. They are part of the buy 2 get $3 extra care box bag and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Crest Complete Scoop Outlast, the 4.0 ounces, on sale for $3.99 each. And the 2 of them are going to total $7.98. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $5.98 and you get $3 extra care box back, making both products just $2.98 or $1.49 each. The next deal I have is not giving back extra care box, but General Mills cereal on sale for $1.99. Pick up 2 of the Cheerios or whichever one you like. They will total $3.98. Check your app because we have 2 of the $1 off 2 digital coupon. Both will double dip and take off $2, leaving you to pay just $1.98 for both or 99 cents each. CoverGirl is on the deal of buy 2 get $5 extra care box bag and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79 each, and both will total $11.58. I have this $3 mystery offer we received last week. I printed this one out on Saturday and it extended till the 9th. And we also have a $4 CoverGirl digital coupon. The CRT and the coupon is going to drop it down to $4.58 and you get $5 extra care box back, making both items free and a 42-cent moneymaker. The next deal I have is on Maybelline Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 extra care box back and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the baby lips priced at $4.99 each and both will total $9.98. We received a $3 off Maybelline digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.98 and you get $5 extra care box back, making both items $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next cosmetics deal I have will be on L'Oreal Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $5 extra care box back and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the mono eyeshadows priced at $6.99 each and that will total $13.98. We received a $4 off L'Oreal mystery offer today that will drop it down to $9.98 and you get $5 extra care box back, making both eyeshadows just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal I have is on Kleenex cubes. They are part of the buy 2 get $1 extra care box back and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Kleenex soothing lotion. They're on sale for 2 for $4.50. We have an Ibotta rebate and this is the only one attaching to it. Pay $4.50 and get $1 extra care box back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for 30 cents on each cube, making both items $2.90 or $1.45 each. The next deal is on Garnier Facial Care. It's on the deal of buy 2, you get $5 extra care box back and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and they are priced at $11.99. That means one will be full price and the second one will be $6. Both will total $17.99. I have 2 of the $2 coupon we got from the 225 savings sets, and I also have a 2 of 10 Garnier Facial Care CRT that will drop it down to $11.99. Pay that and get $5 extra care box back, and that will make these 2 bottles just $6.99 or $3.50 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get $10 extra care box back on Neutrogena or Fino Facial Care and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 2 of the Positively Radiant Foaming Cleanser. They are priced at $11.49. Both will total $22.98. We have a $3 digital coupon in our app that you can use. We also have one on coupons.com, but shout out to Amy. Last week she mentioned that she tried to use it didn't work out, and I tried this week again, it still wasn't working out. Use just the $3 in our app, and if you have a 3 off 10 Aveeno CRT, it will drop it down to $16.98. Pay that and get $10 extra care box back, making both items $6.98 or $3.49 each. This is a clip from my last video when it was on the deal of spend $25, get $10 extra care box back. And if you still have your digital coupons, I think this would be a better way to do it. Pick up one of the cleanser priced at $8.99 and one of the facial moisturizer cream priced at $15.99. These two are going to total $24.98. We have a $5 digital coupon for the face cream and a $3 digital coupon for the cleanser. Add the 3 off 10 Aveeno facial care CRT. It's going to drop it down to $13.98 and you get $10 extra care box back, making both items $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $7 extra care box back, and Nivea Men body wash is part of this deal because when you read the ad you can see that it says from 16.9 ounces to 20 ounces. Pick up 2, they are priced at $6.79 each and both will total $13.58. We don't have any coupon for this, but I'm showing this deal because of the $7 extra care box we will get back. Most times we have a 3 off 2 coupon that we can use with this deal, and when we have that, we normally have it at buy 2 get $5 back, but with the $7 back, that's why I'm sharing this because I think you're worth it. It's just $1 more. Pay the $13.58 and get $7 extra care box back, making both items $6.58 or $3.29 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $4 extra care box back, and St. Ives body wash is part of this deal. Pick up 2 of the oatmeal and shea butter body wash priced at $5.99 each. Both will total $11.98. I don't have any coupon for this, but if you have a percentage of CRT or a threshold CRT, you can add this deal to it. Pay the $11.98 if you're doing this by itself and get $4 extra care box back, making both items $7.98 or $3.99 each. If you don't want to do the St. Ives body wash, you can also pick up the Caress body wash, the 20 ounces. Pick up 2. They are priced at $8.99 each and both will total $17.98. In 225 savings sets, we have a $1 coupon that you can use. Use 2 of the coupons. That will drop it down to $15.98 and you get $4 extra care box back, and that will make both items $11.98 or $5.99 each. The next deal is on Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioner, the 10.2 to 17.3 ounces. They're on the deal of buy 2, get $4 extra care box back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. They are priced at $4.69. Both will total $9.38. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.38 and you get $4 extra care box back, making both items just $2.38 or $1.19 each. The next deal is on Garnier Whole Blend shampoo or conditioner. They're on the deal of buy 2, get $4 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. They are priced at $5.59 each and both will total $11.18. We also have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.18 and you get $4 extra care box back, making both items just $4.18 or $2.09 each. The next hair care deal I have will be on Pantene shampoo or conditioner. If your store is not tagged, be careful with this deal because there are 2 going on. The one I'm talking about will be between the 10.4 to 12.6 ounces, and it's on the deal of buy 3, you get $3 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. And they're on sale for 3 for $15. Pick up 3. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that is going to drop it down to $10. and you get $3 extra care box back, making all three of them just $7 or $2.33 each. The last hair care deal I have in this video will be on L'Oreal Elvive. They're on the deal of buy two, get $4 extra care box back, and it's a limit of one. Pick up one of the shampoo and one of the conditioners, priced at $5.59, and these two are going to total $11.18. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $7.18, and you get $4 extra care box back, making these two items just $3.18 or $1.59 each. The next deal I have will be on Pampers Easy Up, and they are part of the spend 20 get $5 extra care box back, and they are on sale for buy one get one half off. They are priced at $15.99 at my store. That means the second one will be $8. These two products are going to total $23.99, and we received a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $20.99, and you get $5 extra care box back. Check your Ibotta, cause in mine I have a $2 back on each. That will be a total of $4. After the extra care box and the rebate, it's going to make these two packs just $11.99 or $6 each. Another option for the spend 20 get $5 extra care box back, you can only do this deal one time per card. It's just a limit of one. It's by picking up the Always Maxi priced at $11.99 and the other one priced at $7.99. Both will total $19.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $16.98, and you get $5 extra care box back, making both packs just $11.98 or $5.99 each. The last deal I have in this video is the buy two get $5 extra care box back, and Scott Bath Tissue is part of this deal. That's the 12 rolls. Pick up one, they're on sale for $10.79, and also pick up one of the Comfort Plus, the 18 double rolls, on sale for $10.79. These two are going to total $21.58. We have a $1 Scott digital coupon in our app that will help drop it down to $20.58, and you get $5 extra care box back, making both items just $15.58 or $7.79 each.